Hello, I'm Dr. Meghan P. Nolan, and I'm the director of the Reading and Writing Center here at RCC. Today, I'd like to tell you a little bit about what we do at the Reading and Writing Center and to show you how to make an appointment. So the RCC Reading and Writing Center is really here to work with any student, staff, or community member who would like to work on their reading and or writing. So we have well-trained tutors on staff and specialists who can help at all times and assist individuals with every step of the writing process. So as far as reading comprehension skills go, we cannot help you with the content for your course, but we can give you some pointers on how to better take some notes and how to improve your reading skills. With the writing process, we can help with every step of the process. We can help you with brainstorming and organization, paper drafting, revising and editing, professional readiness for things like resumes, CVs, or cover letters, application and transfer letters for other schools, and so much more. If you're working on creative writing, for instance, we can assist with that as well. So please keep in mind that whenever you would like to work with a tutor on any type of writing, regardless of the discipline, it could be for any course, even outside of your English courses, we're here to help you. In order to schedule an appointment, you'll need to first register with our new scheduling system, WC Online. So in order to make an appointment, you need to go to rockland.mywconline.com. This link can also be found in MyRCC, and it can be found on our webpage at sunyrockland.edu. So the important thing to remember is before you can make an appointment, before you can log in, you must register for the system. You will see a page much like this one, and you must register at the top by clicking on register for an account. So let's do that now. When I click on the link, it takes me to this page. And once again, it says first visit, register for an account. The very first time you come here, you must register for an account. So let's click there now. It will ask you for an email address. Please put your RCC email address in. If you are a community member who does not have an RCC address, then it's appropriate to use whichever one you want us to use to contact you. But for everybody else, please use your RCC email address. Then you're going to put in your first name and your last name, your telephone number if you'd like us to be able to contact you that way. Your standing refers to what year you are. If you're a first-year student, then you would select freshman. If you're second-year sophomore, if you're here beyond that, then you could choose junior or senior. You could choose staff if you're staff, whatever is appropriate. Your graduation year, please choose whichever one you think is the most applicable. If you think you'll graduate in 2 years, then you can choose whatever number works for you. You are not held to that, so please do not feel as if it has to be exact. Your home language, please select whatever your first home language is. Your major is whatever you think you are studying. If you are undecided, then you can simply say undecided if you do not know. And then your student ID will be a number that starts with an R, and you can put that in with your RCC student ID number. You can find that on your ID, or you can find that by logging into RCC or Banner. And then make sure that you put that in there. If you are a community member and you do not have an RCC ID, then please just put not applicable. Your password, the restrictions, it must be at least 10 characters or more long. It will cut you off if you go too many characters over, but this is your password of your choosing, so please make it whatever you want. We do not have access to it. It's your personal password. So I will do that now. So then you have email preferences. These are for what emails you would like to receive from the system. You can receive emails when your appointments are made, modified, or canceled, when we send out mass mailings through the system, or for reminders for your appointments. So it's your choice which of those you choose to receive emails for. And then, of course, you must say that you are not a robot, so you have to go through the CAPTCHA process. And then you just hit complete registration. Once you complete registration, it will take you back to the login page, and then you just use the exact email that you just used for your sign-in for your registration, and that's how you will get into the system. And then you just press login. When you press login, it will take you to a schedule. So this schedule tells you what's available and what isn't when you can work with a tutor. If it's this blacked out dark blue color, then that means that the tutors are not available during that time. If it's this light blue color, that means that somebody else has booked a particular tutor for that time. You cannot see any information about those sessions. So what you want to look for are these white spaces. The white spaces on the schedule indicate any time that tutors are free to work with you. So let's say that I need to work on Tuesday, I'm free, but I'm not free until 3 p.m. on Tuesdays. So then I would go to 3 p.m. on Tuesday, March 2nd. I would click on there, and then that brings up the appointment. You have several options for your appointments. When we are back on campus, you will see an in-person option, and you can select that. This semester, your options are e-tutoring. So an e-tutoring appointment means that you simply upload whatever paper you're working on. You upload it directly into the system, and then a tutor will type in comments for you, put it back in the system for you, and then you edit it and change everything on your own. An online session, the second option, is when you're having a face-to-face discussion with the tutor. It could be audio as well. You don't have to use your camera, but this is where you're having a discussion with the tutor about your writing. This is the preferred method. So then you just need to click on the course and type in your course, the instructor, and then tell us a little bit about what you would like to work on. That could be whatever you think you need to work on or you would like to work on for the paper. Then what you need to do is just choose the file wherever you saved it on your computer. And then you'll be able to attach it by clicking open, and then you're ready to go. You just click create appointment. Once you create appointment, you'll see that it shows up on the schedule as this orange color, and then you will see that's appointment card. When you create the appointment, if it's not the same day, then all you do is just log out of the system. Then when it's time for your appointment on the day, so once it's Tuesday right before 3 p.m., then I would click onto the appointment, and then it says it's my online appointment. So then I want to go to start or join online consultation. Once I do that, I click on start or join online consultation. That'll take me directly to the meeting with my tutor. Now, I had an error on my screen because I'm recording this for you all right now, but usually what would happen is that the camera would pop up over here as a picture of you. You are free to limit it if you want to. And you can also use this chat box to work with your tutors. But the greatest part about this is that you'll upload your paper directly to the whiteboard, and you both can type directly on there and make edits on there together as you're talking. So that is how you make an appointment for the RCC Reading and Writing Center. It's pretty easy, and anytime you want to make an appointment, you just log into WC Online. So rockland.mywconline.edu or .com. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at writing@sunyrockland.edu. We'll be able to get back to you with any of your questions. But please, we encourage you to make an appointment with our tutors. They're wonderful, and they can definitely help you. So have a wonderful semester, and we look forward to working with you.